What's up mga baday? Another day, another blessing, and of course, another vlog. And for today's video, I will show you 10 ways to save Mother Earth. Because today, wala na kayo medyo tumba na dyan ang Mother Nature because sa ating mga buhat sa mga pollution and as part of the community, ang goal na ko is to share you guys on what are the some ways or shall we say daily routine para ma-save ang ako ang palibot. So, enjoy watching! There you have it, guys. Thank you very much for being with me this far. And now to formally summarize the content, these are the 10 wise ways to preserve our environment. First, use glass when brushing teeth. Second, use pail or bucket when taking a bath and when washing clothes also. Third, reuse water by cleaning or flushing it in the bathroom. Fourth, pollute less. When washing dishes, wash greasy pans last to keep water clean. Fifth, hang dry the laundry rather than putting it in a dryer to save electricity. Sixth, turn off light bulbs and any other appliances when not in use and use these appliances only when necessary. Seventh, instead of electric fans, open windows for ventilation. 8. Do backyard gardening. 9. Plant more trees and flowers. And lastly, segregate garbages. These 10 wise ways may kind of just a little, but it will cost a lot to our environment, especially in these times where we could obviously see that our environment or our surroundings has been through a lot. So thank you very much and God bless us all.